How to use Apple Intelligence. Let's get in. With iOS 18.4, Apple Intelligence takes your iPhone experience to the next level. In this video, I will show you how to use Apple Intelligence and make the most of its features. Let's dive in. First, make sure Apple Intelligence is enabled. For that, launch your settings. Click on the option Apple Intelligence and toggle it on. You'll need an iPhone 15 Pro or later to access all features. Siri is now more intelligent than ever. You can ask complex questions, get summarized responses, and even type requests instead of speaking. Just activate Siri as usual and try asking, "Summarize my latest emails." Apple Intelligence can rewrite, proofread, and summarize text across apps. Whether you are composing a message or an email, just highlight the text, tap Edit with AI, and choose the style you prefer. Need quick visuals? Use Apple Intelligence to generate images in different styles. Open Photos, AI tools, type a prompt and let Apple create stunning visuals for you. You can also edit photos with AI-powered enhancements. Apple Intelligence now prioritizes important notifications and summarizes them for easy reading. Customize this in Settings, Notification, Smart Prioritization to keep distractions to a minimum. That's a wrap. With iOS 18.4, Apple Intelligence makes your iPhone smarter and more efficient. Try these features and let me know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iOS tips.